going on, everyone? What I have here is the best screen protector for your iPhone 11 Pro Max, the Whitestone Dome Glass screen protector. This is the best screen protector that you could buy out there to protect your screen. With this screen protector, you will get the full touch functionality, the full cover protection, and the full clarity as your original screen. And this screen protector uses UV light to kill the adhesive, so you get bubble-free insulation. I will show you how to install this screen protector on your iPhone 11 Pro Max. But before we do that, let's see what's included in this kit. This kit includes the instruction booklet, the 2 adhesive bottle, the position bridge, slide wall. See what's inside this package. You have the cleaning cloth, alcohol wipe, dust removal sticker, and 2 foam pads. This is the top tray. This is the speaker masking, the screen protector, the bottom tray. There's a lot of stuff here. And inside here, we got micro USB power cable. And this is the UV light. Before we install the screen protector, we're going to clean the surface to make sure it's free of dust. Now grab your bottom tray. On the bottom tray, there's a speaker indicator on the bottom here, and on the top, there's a connector indicator. So that means you're going to place your phone with the connector toward the top and the speaker toward the bottom. Now grab your phone and open a alcohol wipe and clean the screen. Grab the cleaning cloth, clean it real good. Make sure you don't have any dust on here. And turn your phone off so you don't get distracted by phone call, your phone vibrate. Okay, make sure it's off. Grab the cleaning cloth again, clean the screen. Now place your phone with the speaker toward the speaker on the bottom and the connector toward the connector on top. So your phone will be upside down, okay? Now let me clean it again. I see more dust. Now grab the dust remover sticker. And tap it on the screen. Make sure you get all the dust off. Grab your top tray The blue tab here, you place it where the connector end is, and it should position in place. Grab your dust remover sticker again, tap it again, make sure you get rid of all the dust. Just take your foam pad and slip it on the side. So what this does is absorb the extra glue that seep to the side, so you don't get too much glue onto to the side of your phone. Okay, position the foam pad there, and now put the precision bridge on. Grab your adhesive bottle, open the color end cap, unscrew it, and place it in the bridge center slot here, like that. Now unscrew the top lid, let adhesive comes out. Now it's done. Remove the bridge, put it aside, grab your screen protector, but first of all, let's grab your speaker masking. What you do is put it where the slot is at right here, into the slot, and press it down onto the speaker so you won't get the glue into the speaker. There we go. Now peel the plastic off, and make sure you don't touch the inner part of the screen protector, because you don't want any dust on it. Now you face the speaker end to the bottom, like that, and just drop it in. Now grab your slide bar. What you want to do is put at a 45-degree angle and slide it up. And on the other hand, hold down. Okay, now let the glue spread. The foam came off, so I'm going to put it back. So let it spread fully, cover the whole screen. Now you can grab your UV light right here. You're going to put where the connector is at for 15 seconds, and then you move down to the speaker for 15 seconds. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use my power bank to power the UV light. If you have one, that's cool. If not, then you have to find a USB power adapter to plug the USB type A into the power adapter to power up the UV light. But if you have a power bank, that'd be awesome. So you don't have to plug into an outlet. Plug my USB type A in, and my UV light. And there's a switch right here. Press on it to turn it on. Put it right there for 15 seconds. Now move it down to the speaker for 15 seconds. Okay, let's turn it off. Remove the foam. Put it aside. Then grab the alcohol wipe. Clean the extra glue from the side of the screen. Grab your cleaning cloth. Wipe the screen. Wow, it looks really clean. See, look, check that out. No bubbles at all. That's awesome. All right, put it back in the bottom tray. What we're going to do is we can cure the adhesive for 60 seconds for the top and 60 seconds for the bottom again. Okay, so the total of 75 seconds. All right, when the light turns off, that means it's 60 seconds. We move it to the bottom and turn it back on for 60 seconds. Okay, the light turns off. That's 60 seconds. If we move it, take your phone. Have your cleaning cloth and wipe the screen again to make sure everything is clean. Make sure all the adhesive is gone. Now turn the phone back on. There we go. The touch function works as the same, as quick, as responsive. And as we see, look at that. No bubbles. Perfect screen protector installation. No bubbles at all. If you have any questions, any comment, drop it in the comment section down below. To help the channel out, please click on the subscribe button. If you like the video, make sure you turn on the notification bell for new videos update. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.